you, but it's got to go away. It's the wrong time, wrong place. I can't give it to you. I've grown up and responsible, so I'll do what I have to do. Come on and take a look inside you. Can you be honest? Don't you lie to yourself. You see, it's you, it's me. We need to stop and take control. Think about it, put a hold on it. Temptation, frustration, it's all part of the game. Imagination, just don't feel the same. I can't stop dreaming, it haunts me every day. Though I feel that I cheat, stronger I feel the need. Take my chances and no further delay. Come on and take a look inside you. Can you be honest? Don't you lie to yourself. You see, it's you, it's me. We need to stop and take control. Think about it, put a hold on it. But now it's getting out of hand. And when I try to read between the lines, you want me all the way, but I just be strong. Hear what I gotta say. I feel what you feel, but it's got to go away. It's the wrong time, wrong place. I can't give in to you. I've grown up and responsible, so I do what I have to do. Come on and take a look inside you. Can you be honest? Don't you lie to yourself. You see, it's you, it's me. We need to stop and take control. Think about it, put a hold on it. People need alcohol, others use dope, but I'm addicted to my daily soap. I'm yearning, I'm craving, my ego heart burns. I'm totally hooked on as the world turns. Give me Lucinda, Margot and Hell. Will Molly get married and Emma get well? Lily and Holt and Carly and Jack, Barbara, Ben and James will be back. Nobody warned me, they probably thought that educated women can never be caught by ridiculous stories, laughable lines. So as a result, I show all the signs. I'm losing control, I'm starting to shake. Where is my remote? How much more can I take? Don't miss any part, I tape and rewind. Living my life with a soap in my mind. I love the way I'm getting food every day. Thank God for my cable TV. Facelifted actors with nothing to say on my favorite ecstasy. by ridiculous stories, laughable lines. So as a result, I show all the signs. Losing control, I'm starting to shake. Where is my remote on this morning? I take, don't miss any part. I take a rewind, living my life with a soap in my mind. I love the way I'm getting fooled every day. Thank God for my cable TV. Facelifted actors with nothing to say on my favorite ecstasy. Wish I knew why I'm so in love with you. No one else in this world will do. Darling, please save your love for me. Run away. If I were wise, I'd run away. But like a fool in love, I stay and pray you save your love for me. I can feel it even when you're not here. Can't conceal it. I really love you, my dear. And though I know no good can come from loving you, I can't do a thing. I'm so in love with you. So darling, help me please. Have mercy on a fool like me. I know I'm lost, but still I plead. Darling, please save your love for me. Conceal it. I really love you, my dear. And though I know no good can come from loving you, I can't do a thing. I'm so in love with you. So darling, help me please. Have mercy on a fool like me. I'm lost, but still I plead. Darling, please save your love for me.